Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you vinegar and baking powder. It's going to remove the unwanted hair permanently, and forget the old methods to remove the unwanted hair. It's painless and will work 100%. It removes the hair from the roots and the hair will fall off. Every time the hair will grow very thin. All you need to do is prepare it and apply it on the unwanted hair, and you will be amazed with the result. The hair will be removed from the roots and it will fall off naturally without any side effects, without pain or any kind of struggle. This magical remedy works 100% for you and will get you an amazing result. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl, around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and then we need one sachet of baking powder, and cut it like so, and add the full sachet like so, my friends. Mix it well with the aloe vera gel. After mix it like so, we need white vinegar, and we need to add it at room temperature. Add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar, white vinegar, and mix very well. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients with an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy and apply it on the unwanted hair like so. Keep applying for 2 minutes, from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. As you can tell, the quantity is big and will get you rid of any kind of place you want to get rid of the unwanted hair permanently. This magical remedy works 100%, my friends. After applying like so, leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with cold water, or I'm going to remove it with a tissue paper like so. After you remove it, we need a skin moisturizer. Get any skin moisturizer you do have and apply on the skin to moisturize your skin. After using the vinegar and the baking powder, you need to moisturize your skin very well, and you're going to be amazed with the result. The hair will fall off from the roots, and this magical remedy will get you rid of the unwanted hair permanently. Every time the hair will grow very thin, and it will be easier to remove it. And my friends, the result will amaze you. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.